Hi guys, myself Esme is Komal, and as you have seen the thumbnail, which is having AI generate AI project built in just 3 hours. So let's discuss how we built AI project built in just 3 hours. So to build a ChatGPT applications, we need lots of data, like lots of RAM, lots of processor, lots of data, lots of resources, lots of money, and which take more time. So in order to get relief from this, so we use some of the applications. They are like the OpenAI. We all know the OpenAI, which is like ChatGPT and DALL-E 2. So on the second thing, we can say that the Hugging Face, one of the most interesting and trending in nowadays. So Hugging Face, which is like more similar to the GitHub, but in the Hugging Face itself having more type of AI generative workshops and AI similar works in the Hugging Face. And the third one, which is like vector databases. We all know that the vector database is having name itself considering the databases. And the fourth one, which we can say that the uh, Gradio. So the Gradio, which is one of the Python library. So using that Python library, which we can create some of the UI applications very easily. And the fifth one, which we can say that the we all know that the uh, which we are using frequently in nowadays. Most of the YouTubers and most of the developers are using most frequently. That is the LangChain. So the LangChain, which we can make any code and any type of design in easy way. So which that not disturbs any line of code. And the sixth one, which we can say that the Google Colab. So in that Google Colab, we can make a uh, long line of code run easily, faster, which is compared to the system. So and the seventh one, which we can say that one of the most important, which is large language model. So in the large language model, there are more of data itself, and which we can trace the data in it and get our relevant answer in it with using these type of applications. So now guys, I will show how I made the ChatGPT like applications in it. Hi guys, now we are moving to the chatbot with OpenAI and Lang. So in this pip install, we are installing the LangChain, OpenAI, Gradio, Hugging Face in the Google Colab. So that gets RAM disconnected on the Python 3. So here we can see that the connected to Python 3 Google Compute Engine backend. So we are getting the RAM 0.01 and 12.68 68 GB disk. So when we click here install, and it get installed in the RAM itself, right? Not in our computer, but they are connected in the Google itself. So we are importing the Gradio, importing the GR LangChain models and others, etc. So we are getting the OpenAI secret key. So the OpenAI secret key, which we can get the access from the Open API, so that can be installed here itself, right, guys? So and we in the templates itself, we are creating our description about the Chat GPT, how are its uses, and similarly, if we click all of these, so here is one of the main step, which is like LLM LangChain. So in the LLM LangChain, we can get some of the interfaces, some of the applications, some of the methods that in the LLM LangChain. So we are using the GPT 3.5 Turbo, guys. So after that, we can install all of these. So in this here, they are the mention some of the what are the questions do you want to ask it, and what are your interests, what which places do you like to visit itself, guys. So and this is the main step. If you click here itself, it launches our uh, interface from the Gradio itself. So if we click here, it shows how the interface is going to work. So I'm not clicking. So what I have done it, I have done it before it, guys. So the publishing code in the Hugging Face, so we have to create a Hugging Face account, which is the one most important in this making a ChatGPT application. So from importing Hugging Face, we are making a Hugging Face account, and we are clicking all of this installation and Hugging Face repo ID. So repo ID, which means in the Hugging Face, guys. So now I'm going to log in my Hugging Face and I'll show you what is repo ID. So So I'm going to log in Hugging Face. So the Hugging Face here, the repo ID, which means the spaces, they are like, so in these spaces we can they are like applications. So applications is known as the spaces. So I have already created, yeah, this is my open generator, my speech like AI. So this is the Hugging Face repo ID. So the this, okay, sorry, yeah, this we have to copy it. This we have to make a copy and we have to paste it here. So which we can get access from the Hugging Face. So after click after get clicking on install, so our code is going to work like this. So I have made it already. I'm showing for you guys. So in the my spaces, I'm going to the space. Okay. So guys, here are the my spaces. So in the my spaces, I'm getting quickly start. So it's going to take some more time, guys. So please wait. So yeah, this is the model that I have created. So when I click some of the question in it, so it gives the answer to me. So to give this interface in HTML and JavaScript, and that means I want to make a mention that which I want to put this interface in the browser itself. So I'm going to click here self and here the embedded code. So I'm going to make a copy of this H code that I have, which you mentioned, which are you showing, right? So I have copied it and I'm going to take on my page itself. So I have pasted, I have done it, right? Now I'm showing my application that I have created. Sorry. I have made my code possible. So I have made it at SLVS8 CCBP. So I'm having a question. Tell about India. Going to take some time. So please wait. So right guys, it has given the information about the India. So India is officially known as a Republic of India. Known as Republic of India. Yeah, is a country located in the South Asia. It is the seventh largest country by land area. So guys, that's about the ChatGPT that I have created. So I have created another ChatGPT so that which represent my voice as a output. So I have given in my description. So please check it once. So that's it for today. Thank you guys.